Okay, I haven't done this kind of pizza this late at night in a long time. So this is a small late night, and I'm a senior, so late night's gonna be 8:30. Now I've made it before, so that's telling you one thing already, it's not my favorite, or else I would have started with that. I just like experimenting and that's what I'm really wanting you to do, since you're new to making your own pizzas in your own toaster oven. Olive oil. I can't remember how much you use, so I'm starting with that. Yeah, I need some more. That's probably going to be enough. Extra virgin olive oil, cheese, this is just regular old mozzarella. Okay, I'm going to try, I was going to save it for another video, but I think I'm going to do it now. And I think it's going to make this a really good pizza. You can't make a bad pepperoni pizza. Undercook it. You're eating all the raw ingredients anyways. What do we like about pepperoni? The taste, the texture. Everybody likes pepperoni. All pepperoni is the same unless you're comparing them side by side, and then there could be some subtle or some really big. Wow, that just came out perfectly. Then I picked it out. I'm getting good at this stuff. That are just subtle differences, or there's some huge differences. We're going to nuke this for a minute. I think this is going to turn out good. Watch this. I got this for another idea for another pizza we're making later. Right there, that's probably about enough for that pizza. We're going to go ahead and put on the extra ones because we probably might just eat them ourselves. But they're really not that bad. Now we've gotten rid of a lot of the grease, so I'm gonna load up the entire pizza with this. Like the ones that are cupped up, cup up, right? Am I doing it wrong? Cups make a cup, not a hat. Oh, this is gonna be killer for a late night senior snack. Senor, look at that. Saved a bunch of that grease. That just allowed us to have more pepperoni. And look again at what you saved. That's a heart attack. All right, it's smaller. This is already cooked. I'm thinking 8 minutes. Siri, give me an 8-minute timer.
8 minutes, starting now.
Hey, looks pretty good. All right, so I pulled it a minute and a half early, which would have been 6.5 minutes, and I did it solely on looks and appearances. Also, look at those pepperonis. That's crispy. That's the good stuff. Look at that, crispy. I'm holding that with 3 fingers. Not real not greasy at all, really. This has got that extra virgin olive oil and no spices but pepperoni. Enjoy. Pepperoni, it's got a definite healthier, drier, not greasy taste to it. It's not bad. Did we even talk about this being a regular tortilla, size tortilla? Go make your own. Experiment. See ya.